Recession is affecting Oyibo. Before they go pay Oyibo man 200,000. Now 1,000 some dollars, about $200 or $300. Today 200,000 no go even reach $500. So it's affecting even the white people. Do you know how many white people don't go back to their country? Now only me, Trivobina from BBC, I still enjoy only the Naira. So how come bring your super AKB here, come. Bring your 2 legs here, come and tell me how is 6,500 Naira. We chop 2 whole chicken. When I'm 3,000, come. Or I bring pen and paper for me. Or you man go calculate to. Or you man go calculate 6,500 Naira. God fire on our enemies. Thunder fire on our enemies. Bring paper and pen. See, I get pen. Bring paper.
No, my calculator.
No, I'm not believing in calculator. I believe in physical calculation. Bring paper.
No paper now. No paper.
Paper. I see my PA not get paper. She says see my PA. Yeah.
What do you calculate?
Calculate. Our own is how much?
Our own is 500.
Where our own?
500.
1,000. Where our own?
600.
Okay, 1,600. Where my own?
Your own is 3,000.
I will never agree. No. If you now do this to me, I swear, well, I'm not going to see my face. Why my own is 3? No, explain to me. You give me one whole chicken or 1.5?
No. The first food I gave to you.
Yes. Wait. The first plate of vegetable we give to me with chaki and 1 fish. Fish, whether they sell 200 Naira outside though.
No, it's
now how much? Okay, 300. How much my first food?
The first one is 1,300. 1,300.
Okay, I agree. These are 1.6 and 1.3. How much that one? 1.6. 2.9. You don't finish. Not 2.9.
Wait, no.
Wait, you bring 2 additional vegetables. So why should you even charge me for that additional vegetable? Even $500 for one.
No, it's money that we use.
Can I ask you a question? How much for assorted pepper soup for here?
We don't say pepper soup.
I know, but assorted pepper soup, anywhere you go now, 400, 500 Naira. That portion of extra vegetable we bring for me, you want to tell me that you are charging me more than 500 Naira for it? No, see, no allow me to vex, so I dey provoke as I dey here, so I dey provoke well.
No, why do?
Because I dey come here almost every day. I regard this restaurant like my restaurant. Bro, no carry money, I'll pay them. No, I'm not gonna agree. Maybe because I be Oyibo, I want to chop my. No.
No, go shoot me.
No. But wait, bro, give me 5. Borrow me 500. Borrow me 500. Hello. Borrow me 500.
Hello.